Well, hello again, everyone. Professor Profit coming to you from Gamblers University, and we've got an interesting strategy for you this evening, roulette strategy. This one was submitted by Ronald Sands, one of our subscribers, and he calls it the typewriter. Now, we will head on down to the felt here shortly and explain this to you. If you like the video, we do ask you to give us a thumbs up, and that way we know you're enjoying the content. Also, if you haven't already subscribed to the Gamblers University channel, we'd love to have you hit that button and become part of the student body here at Gamblers U. Now, if you have a strategy you would like to submit to the channel that we can feature here, please email me at gamblersuniversity@yahoo.com, and we will take a look at it and see if we want to put it on the channel and make you famous. So let's head on down to the felt now. We'll show you the nuts and bolts of the typewriter strategy. Then we'll roll it out for a few minutes and see if this is one you might want to take to the casino. So we'll head on down there now, and we will see you there shortly. All right, everyone, down here on the virtual roulette table, and we're getting ready to spin our typewriter strategy. Now, this strategy was submitted by one of our subscribers, Ronald Sands. And Ronald says we'll start off with a $1,000 buy-in, which means our win goal is going to be $100. We'll have 18 number coverage using this strategy. So we start off on the left side of the board, and all these will be street bets. There's 6 of them for $5 each. And that's the 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, and 16. And the reason he calls it typewriter is we move the bets after every spin. So after the first spin, we would remove the 1 street and add the 19th street, and we would continue doing that until these bets walked all the way to the other end of the board, and then we would just start on that end and move back to the left, kind of like a typewriter carriage, which is why Ronald calls it the typewriter. Now we'll go up on every 2 losses, so let's go ahead and get the bets down and give it a spin, and we'll see how the typewriter strategy works out. Our first number, see if we can get off to a good start here. 10 black, that is a good start, so it's going to be a $30 win for us. So we'll rebet, and we'll remove the bet on the far left and move it to the far right. And that gives us 6 new numbers here, and we're spinning. 2 black, so we kind of outsmarted ourselves there, and that's a loss. So that is the first loss there. We'll go ahead and remove the 4 street and add on the 22 street, and we're spinning. If we lose here, we will go up a level. So let's see what we get. There's 27 red, so that is going to be a loss. So we'll rebet, and we'll remove the 7 street and add the 25 street, and then go up a level on everything. So it's a $60 bet now, and we are spinning. There's 32 red, and that's another loss. So that's our first loss at this level. So we'll rebet, we'll remove the 10 street, and then we'll add the 28 street and go up a level on everything to 15. And that's a $90 bet now, and we're spinning. 31 black, so that's another loss. So we'll stay at this level. So we'll rebet, and we'll remove the 13 street, and then we will add the 31 street, and then we'll go up another level on everything up to 20 each, and that's a $120 bet. Down to 180 on the session, and there's 28 black, so that's a $120 win. And still down 60, so we'll stay at this level. We'll remove the 16 street and add on the 34 street, and we're spinning. Here we go. See if we can get another hit here. So there's 2 black, that is going to be a loss. So that's the first loss at this level. So we'll rebet, and this time we'll remove the 34 street. And we'll add in the 16th street, and then everything will go up a level, and that'll be 25 on each one of these. So $150 bet, down 180 on the session. And let's see if we can get a hit here. So there's 9 red. That's going to be another loss. So that's the first loss at this level. So we'll remove the 31 street and add that in on the 13 street. And we're spinning. There's 30 red. So that is a win. So we'll rebet and we'll remove the 28th street and add in the 10th street, and we're spinning. Here we go. Down 180 now. There's 34 red. So that's going to be a loss. So let's rebet. And we'll remove the 25 street and add in the 7th street and spin again. So there's 7 red, and that's a score hit, so we'll take that one. Rebet, and we'll remove the 22 street, add in the 4 street, and we're spinning. We can get on a little bit of a roll here. So there's 1 red, so just missed. So we'll rebet, remove 19 street, add in the 1 street, and let's go up a level. It puts us at a 180 bet, and we're spinning. So 33 black is the number. So that's a $180 loss. So we'll rebet, and we'll remove the 1 street and add in the 19 street and spin. Got 1 loss at this level. If we get another one, we'll go up another level. So 19 red, and that's a win. That's good. So that's a $180 win. So we'll rebet and remove the 4 street. Add in the 22 street. And we're spinning. Down 330. And that's 23 red. That's another score hit for us. So let's rebet, and we'll remove the 7th street and add in the 25 street. And we're spinning. 16 red. So that's a win for us. That puts us at 30, and I believe that's our session high. So we're going to remove the 10th street and add in the 28th street, and let's get everything back to base. And we're spinning. Here we go, up 30 now. See if we can keep it rolling. 13 black's the number, and that's another win, so that puts us up 60. So we'll rebet and remove the 13th street, add in the 31 street, spin again. So our session goal is 100. So 3 reds are going to be a loss. That's our first loss at this level. So we'll rebet and remove the 16th street and add in the 34th street, spin again. Here we go. And there's the green monster, so that's a loss. So we'll rebet, and we'll remove the 34th street as we start back in the other direction. Add in the 16th street, that was our second loss, so we'll go up a level. So this is a $60 bet. And let's see if we can get back on track here. 25 red, that's going to be a win for us. So that puts us back at 60, which is our session high. So we'll rebet, and we'll remove the 31 street, add the 13 street. So let's do that now. We're back to our base level of just 5 each. $30 total bet, and we're spinning. 28 black, almost hit that green monster again, but that's a win for us. So we'll rebet and remove the 28th street, add in the 10th street, and we're spinning. Up 90 now. If we get one more hit, we'll reach our session goal. 5 red is not going to be that hit. It's going to be a loss. So that's one loss at this level. So we'll remove the 25th street, add in the 7th street, and we're spinning. If we lose on this one, we'll go up a level. And that's 7 red, and that's a win. So that puts us back at 90, so we'll stay at this level. Base level, we'll remove the 22nd street, add in the 4th street, and we're spinning. For a low number here, 18 red is a win, and that is $120 profit using a typewriter strategy submitted by Ronald Sands. Now we started off at 1,000, ended up at 1,120. That's a $120 win. Now I do have a tweak to this that I want to present to you, and we'll do that in the next video. But for now, that is how the typewriter strategy works. Now, if you would like to submit a strategy of your own to feature here on the channel, please email me at GamblersUniversity@yahoo.com, and we will take a look at it and see about putting it on the channel. So thank you to Ronald for submitting this particular strategy. We appreciate that, and we had it come up a winner for us today. So we thank you for joining us and hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, we ask that you give us the old thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to the Gamblers University channel, we'd love to have you go ahead and hit that button and become part of the Gamblers University student body. As always, we do value your comments, so if you have one, please leave it in the comments below. And once again, we do thank you for joining us and hope you'll come back and see us again real soon. Until that time, if you're out there spinning that wheel, we wish you nothing but the best of luck. And we hope all your numbers come up winners. We'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.